Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to bring you guys two wonderful charities that I have found, and they're legitimate. And this is the first one that's called Assistance Fund Incorporated. It's based out in Orlando, Florida, and the website is tafcares.org. This is for people who have these are for uninsured people living with life-threatening chronic and rare diseases, access to critical treatment through financial assistance, education, and advocacy. So this charity has a 100% 4-star rating, and they have it as impact and results. They have great scores in that: accountability and finance, culture and community, and leadership and adaptability. And you can also donate down here if you want to become a donator. Now, with this company and this charity, it has great information. I'll show you guys the website. Here it is. If you are a provider, you can go ahead and come and fill out the information for a patient that you are attending to and who is under you, and come fill out their information with their permission and see if they can qualify and get the help with payments of a certain type of issue that they're having, or any type of medical bills. Then you can go ahead and help them get signed up here. And you have to log in and create an account, and you have to apply. They have an apply button up here to the top right. You guys probably can't see it. It has a login button as well, and they also have a donate button, and they have a drop down menu as well for patients, for providers, for donors, advocacy, compliance, and about us. And they also have the phone number, the patient fax, the business fax, and the hours of operation for this beautiful charity is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. through 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They have a headquarters in Orlando, Florida. They also have a Washington, D.C. office. Okay, so these are great. This is a great charity. And for you to request for a paper application, you can call this number 855-845-3663 to request for a paper application. And with this beautiful website and this beautiful charity, they also have openings of what is open, what they have open, so you can go ahead and fill out an application for that certain type of chronic illness. And they'll show you the wait list of the ones that have like a lot on the list, or it just have a wait list for certain ones, and they have openings for ones that are still open. So you can fill out information on that, and you can get help by filling out the information that's on the application. That way, so you can better assist the patient, or you can get help for yourself or your family member. It's all here. It's a great website. It has a great layout, and it's very simplified process on their website. Now, the second second charity, excuse me guys, second charity is with Heart to Heart International. Now, with Heart to Heart International is improving global health through humanitarian initiatives that connect people and resources to a world in need. We have a global mission to create a healthier world. Every year, we make a positive impact in the lives of millions of people in more than 60 countries, including the United States. We develop humanitarian programs that promote health and wellness. We deliver results in these programs using two key strategies: the energy of volunteers and equity of strategic partners. We help volunteers and partners make a quality humanitarian connection to a world in need. And once again, the rating is 98%. So if I haven't said it, it's 98%. You guys, 4-star charity, and they are great in accountability and finance, culture and community, and leadership and adaptability. And you can also become a donator on this at this beautiful charity as well. And about this company, let me go to the website. Here it is. If you want to be a donor to Heart, if you want to donate to Heart International, thank you for helping us make a difference in the health health of so many. Heart to Heart International is a 501c3 charitable organization. Your credit card fees are covered. 100% of your donation will go toward our programs, thanks to the generosity of TouchNet Information Systems Incorporated. If you would like more details on how we use donor resources, please contact our donor relations staff at 913-764-5200. Please note residual donations to a specific campaign will be reallocated to Heart to Heart International's greatest need. Now, you can donate once, you can donate monthly, or you can donate in tribute and direct my donation to any of these greatest needs. That means to any type of charity like homelessness or anything. For example, flooding, Ukraine crisis, humanitarian assistance, disaster response, hygiene kits. The hygiene kits are $10 each, and hurricane and earthquake and tornado. So yes, it's a great website, you guys. I'll go more into depths who we are. This is their mission, and this is the history and everything. This is how they this is a wonderful website. This is their hats. They have merchandise. I don't know if it's exclusive, but they dress very well, and they're doing so much great work improving access to health. Heart to Heart International works every day to improve access to health throughout the United States and the world. Through HHI's Heart to Heart International work, people in need receive medications, direct medical care, hygienical supplies, and medical supplies. This is their mission. Our mission, Heart to Heart International, seeks to improve healthcare across the U.S. and around the world by ensuring quality care is provided equitably in medically under-resourced communities and in disaster situations. We imagine a world in which every person has access to a healthy life, and every community has the capacity to make this access a reality. We believe that sustained access to health sets the foundation for individuals and community development. In everything we do, we work to broaden access to healthcare services and build capacity for health. It's a lofty vision, but we take a step closer to looking every day through support from people like you. Invest in our efforts to create a healthier world today. What we value: passion. We are passionate about creating a healthier world. We vigorously mobilize as many volunteers, partners, and donors as possible to make healthcare more accessible for all people. We will work relentlessly until everyone has access to a healthy life. Inclusion. Equity in healthcare is dependent on creating space for a diverse set of voices to engage in this work. We strive to bring together a broad array of people, especially those who might otherwise be excluded. Sustainability. Success is found in empowering communities to develop and maintain self-sufficient healthcare systems. We focus on helping communities move from the point of survival to the path of sustainability. Partnership. We know that we are stronger, more efficient, and more effective when we work with others locally and globally to deliver on our vision of a healthier world. We leverage partnerships for greater results. Enterprising. We are at our best when the need is at its greatest. We overcome challenges and obstacles by mobilizing our global network to find innovative solutions and effectively deliver humanitarian services to a world in need. We make things happen. So yes, you guys, this is a great website, and that'll be all for today. These are two great charities that can help assist. If you need any of this information, I will put it in the description box below. For the assistance fund, for TAFcares.org, and for hearttoheartinternationals.org. Okay, hearttoheart.com. Not .com, hearttoheart.org. I will place it in the description box below because I made an error. So it's going to be hearttoheart.org. Hearttoheart.org. Okay, I'm sorry for that. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And I will see you guys back on this video. On my channel, not video, on my channel another day. Okay, have a great one, you guys. Bye.